So this is my good friend Shanae, and she insisted that we meet up here at Gecko's in Wellington, and she's about to tell you exactly why she keeps coming back to this place.
Of course, the best thing they have here for me is the ribs and burgers, and the sushi is good too. So good.
Now my friend Shanae and I have had such a good time here at Gecko Lounge in Wellington.
Good food, good service, great atmosphere.
So if you are ever looking to meet up with a friend in Wellington, then be sure to come and check out Gecko Lounge in Wellington.